All my friends, welcome to Hobbies and Earnings channel. Hobbies are the part of life. I have so many hobbies like stamps collections, crown caps, currencies, and also here you have seen a different coins. Yeah, it's to be a different coins of the world gold coins I have. And in this channel I can provide you about each and every information regarding coins. I have some new coins, old coins, and some rare coins. This is to be up here. You can check it out, the coins, and also here you can check it. Lots of coins. Yeah. And today's video is about, you have seen, it is to be a 20 foreign coin, and it's to be a 20 foreign Hungarian coin. It is to be a back side, and here's to be a front side. Is to be, you have seen a Dutch iris, beautiful flowering bulbs of Dutch iris. And Hungarians 20 foreign coin celebrates the year of Dutch iris in Hungary. Is to be a year 2015 coin. Here you have seen a year 2015. Yeah, this is to be a 2015 year coin. As record about the diameter of the coin, the diameter of 24 Hungarian coin 26.3 mm. As concerned about the thickness, here you check out about the thickness. Yeah, this is to be thickness. This is to be 1.9 mm thickness of 24 Hungarian coin. And what about the mass? Yeah, it's to be mass. The weight of the coin is 6.9 mm. As you check out about the weight, yeah, it's to be a 6.9 mm weight of Hungarian 24 coin. Beautiful coin. You have a shiny coin. It's a composition of copper, zinc, and nickel. 75% copper of a Hungarian 24 coin. 25% to be a zinc, and finally 4% nickel of Hungarian 24 coin. And finally, as record the edge, here is to be an edge. Edge is milled in the form of milled. Some have smooth, but it is in the form of lines that represents the milled of the Hungarian 24 coin. I hope my friends like this video. Kindly subscribe my channel Hobbies and Earnings to keep in touch next coming videos of worldwide coins.